Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm just going to be going over the trade I took for this week. So this week I only took one trade, and that was a GJ trade for a buy. So for this trade, I'm going to put up my analysis going into this trade and what I saw. So pretty much what I saw going into this trade, I entered this day. So since I entered this day, price meet my requirements. It was over the 50-point line and it was above the 100 and 200 EMA. Not only that, but before this day, which is when I entered on the 16th, we saw three white soldiers. If you don't know what a three white soldiers is, I'm going to put up on the screen. But a three white soldiers is pretty much a bullish indicator that trend might continue to keep going up. So yeah, since I saw those three confirmations, which is the three white soldiers, price being above of the 100 and 200 EMA, and the RSI being over 50, I decided to enter for a buy. And so I entered for a buy, and then price shot up like crazy, and it went as high as like $17 to going into this day, this doji day. So pretty much on this day, this doji candlestick day was the day I got stopped out because price dropped over 100 pips in a matter of like 30 minutes. It was this drop right here that took me out. I'll try to draw a measure right now so you guys can see what I was talking about. Price dropped over 100 pips in a matter of like 30 minutes or less, which was just insane to me because I rarely see that kind of move happening. So that move stopped me out, and instead of making like over like $20 and meeting my goal of getting this account to 200, I only made $8 and I stopped out. And that really got me annoyed because I looked at the volume. I'll put a screen of the volume right now. I'll put a screenshot of the volume and what I saw. I looked at the volume and you had pretty much other candlesticks before it that had less volume than the one that we just had, but yet the price moved a lot more. This is just my thesis, but to me I believe that was the institution traders affecting the market. So if you don't know what an institutional trader is, it's pretty much your big banks and things like that. So institutional traders are people who trade with billions or trillions in assets, and they pretty much move inside the market. The reason why I believe is an institutional traders that drop the price that much is because if it was regular retail traders, which is just a term we use for individual traders like me and other people, if it was institutional traders, you would see a lot of orders because one institutional trader can push the price down that much by himself. If you need a lot of capital for that. Plus, if it goes down that much, you're gonna see a lot of orders being filled in. But the orders were small. It was a small amount of orders being filled in, but the price moved that much. So, to me, I believe that it was institutional traders who dropped the price, and that really got me annoyed because it just messed up my whole trade. I was supposed to catch this whole trade going up right here. Because going into the trade, my plan was just to ride the trade to the RSI said it was overbought. Out of nowhere, in like an hour, like 30 minutes to an hour, I get stopped out without me even realizing it. I'm gonna show you a screenshot of the price when I woke up the next day, which is this red day. I'm gonna show you the price of this red day when I woke up. It was about, I think, $17, and I got stopped out like at 8. So I pretty much lost half of my profits because of that. I can't really be mad at that because it's just the way Forex is. I can't really be mad at that, but it's still annoying. You plan and everything, you create the setup, you enter, all just to get stopped out by something that you don't even have to say. But it is what it is. It's the way the market works. That's why in my descriptions of my videos, I always put that this is not financial advice. I should never listen to what I'm saying because this has risk. Even though you can make profits from this, it still comes with risks. So just wanted to say that. So I still think GJ is still a buy because it hasn't reached overbought territory, but I'm not really sure I'm going to enter this trade anymore unless it retraces a lot because there's really not a lot of pips left to catch. So I don't really think I want to enter that one. GU might be something I might enter. So let me just clean this up a little so it doesn't look so confusing. So GU I think is in a retracement right now. As you can see, price is going up and the RSI price is moving up as well. So once we start seeing some bearish movement, I might enter that for a sell. Another one I'm looking at is EU as well. So let me clean this up a little before I start. So EU in the last video I thought was gonna continue the downtrend, but turns out it just continued the uptrend. But just the same for GJ too. EU looks like it's retracing right now, but I might enter for a sell once I start seeing some bearish confirmation. Another one I'm looking at is USD Mexican. So this pair has sold off crazy in the last couple of days. Pretty much it dropped and it's just continued dropping. It looks like it's approaching the oversold territory, so I'm going to be keeping an eye on this one. I don't think I'm going to enter this week unless I see a big move. But other than that, I'm just going to keep my eye on the markets because most of the trades I already wanted to take, they've already happened or I already took them. So I don't know, I'm just going to keep an eye on the market and see what happens. Anyways guys, thanks for watching. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe. Like the video if you like it. Leave a comment down below any thoughts, advice, any questions, and I'll see you next time.